I want to welcome you all to the Bitcoin Spike. I'm a London former financial professional. I want to talk about Bitcoin today, 45,984. Guys, everyone is kind of in a panic right now. What you see on your screen is a bull flag. Guys, it's a bull flag that we are currently in. Now, the time frame is, believe it or not, the weekly time frame. Guys, we're in the weekly time frame, and we're in a bull flag. I want to talk about that just briefly here. It's going to be about a very short video. But when I hear about people who have $1 million position and they're just flipping out or something, guys, there are three levels right now for Bitcoin. I've been repeating this for you guys. Maybe around 45, right? Around 45, maybe around 30, right? Maybe if you could ever get there, 15, I don't think we're ever going to see that. But let's look at what a bull flag is and what are the expectations, guys, in terms of the run up, guys. This was a phenomenal run up for Bitcoin from in and around, let's see here, in and around like about 9,000, guys. You know, the all-time high was 64,863.10, $64,863.10. That is a phenomenal gain. Let's talk about how bull flags work and how this may impact you guys. 643%. That's really not bad, guys. That's a nice gain, right? It's been a phenomenal year. Let's talk about what's required for the bull flag, guys. We need to run to the upside, right? And this has eluded everyone. I'm just going to tell you guys, no one has been talking about this. I had a magical kind of number for myself, and it was at 51,000. I want to talk about why that is. Okay, now the bull flag is going to require a move to the upside, a strong. We need some strong amplitude there, a nice move to the upside. Then what do we need? We need a channel. We need a channel that's cutting against that trend, right? Which we have on the weekly chart, guys, not the hourly, not the 4 hourly or the day, even the daily, right? So my key figure of entry, what I really was interested in was this level. And I didn't hide this, but I didn't really tell everybody, hey, we're in this huge bull flag. I didn't want people to get too aggressive with things if we broke to 51,000. So this was my key entry area. I wanted to see this complete. Why would that be? And I want to talk about the fact, guys, understand the bull flag's not over right now. It's just not over. And I'm going to talk about the different levels we have below to kind of give you a little bit of a framework to work with in terms of your investments. And as we look at this, guys, what you would do with the bull flag, you guys understand, you would want to repeat this to the upside, guys. So in terms of an upside target that we would just look at based upon pure technicals, guys, you're looking at about another 100% gain. Okay, if this wants to complete, I'm throwing that out there, not as yes, it's going to happen, but please consider the fact that when people are freaking out, guys, they're probably overexposed. I'm going to tell you guys, they're overexposed. You guys know we believe in doubling and tripling down, heavy cash reserves, right? But we do believe that this is worth talking about right now, as the entirety of the market is kind of on edge with the recent slight retracement here for Bitcoin. It's had 10 to 15 of those types of days this year. So if that has flipped you out, guys, understand you probably haven't been around crypto too long. So in terms of this, what I would say, guys, it is very possible to operate within this channel. It's already been established. Multiple hits along the top, multiple hits along the bottom. We have 1, 2, 3 hits along the top. We have 1, 2 clearly across the bottom, a clearly defined channel. Now, what I would do, and I've been telling everyone this, the night before we had a little bit of, just some price action, guys, to the downside. I want to show you guys a little bit of an insight to here. What did you have? I just want to pull this out, guys. I want to pull this up. What did you have here? If I expand this, what did we have here before the next move up? We had a move that literally was equivalent on the weekly chart to what we just had. So I want to keep this in perspective. Is it guaranteed to go up? No, but I just want to bring this up into perspective. Earlier in the year, guys, we had a pullback just like this and decided to traject to the upside. So in terms of that, guys, just understand this is Bitcoin. This is a volatile market. We love being able to take advantage of that volatility. We've had a lot of success here at the channel. Shout out to everybody, VIPs, especially if you guys would like to join us in the back rooms. We have DM, their direct message, private kind of, lockdown, really cool stuff, kind of just exclusive VIP perks that guys are trading on, doing really well. IOST today went 50%. What's up? I brought that to the VIP like 2 days ago. Yeah, what's up? Nice call. Way to go, guys. I'm glad you guys looked at that video and traded 50% profits. Very, very nice, guys. However you trade it. Very nice. So what I would say to anyone who's kind of feeling a little bit angst or overexposed, or they feel a little bit, frustrated with things, guys, you have about 3 levels. And I explained this to a room full of guys the night before we had this little bit of a small pullback in price. I said there's 3 levels. It was at 50 some odd thousand then. I said there's 3 levels, okay? There's 45,000. I said just assume it's 45,000. 45,000, 30,000, and 15,000. Again, guys, kind of, maybe give yourself 3 levels. And what does that mean? At this level, guys, you don't need to be overexposed. You don't need to, guys, just, let's put everything into Bitcoin. That's not the idea. The idea is to always have, at a lower level, the ability to definitely double or triple down. I say to some people, maybe you want to put 5 times as much if it were to get to 30. I say this all the the time, guys, and they understand, oh, okay, that makes sense. In terms of not being overexposed. Does it mean I'm bearish? Never. But I just tell that to people so they don't flip out, so they're not sweating, right? So they're not just, watching and going nuts, guys. It's just not worth that, right? You can enjoy the price action of Bitcoin. We can enjoy trading. That doesn't mean we have to put so much in that it's like an earthquake when something happens and, oh my gosh, well, guys, just stay level-headed. We have a great group of traders, and I know you guys know that. But, if we were to express it down to the 30, I'm going to tell you guys, how did that work out? It worked out phenomenally well, didn't it? Now, you have to wait to get there is the only problem. If we had to wait to get there, I'm going to tell you guys, the indication is we're currently in a very bullish formation on the weekly. You guys understand that? A bull flag, we could not really wish for too much more right now. And I'd say not only for the bull flag, but also and the potential breakout for that, guys, a price target for that would be 102,000. That would be okay. That'd be nice. I personally would not mind if we got to play the 30,000 or something in and around this channel a little bit more. You guys understand the pricing targets that we would place on this? Yeah, we'd place some pricing targets on this. We'd go through the Fibonacci's. We would definitely make sure that we were trading along the way. It looks like it's already hit into that golden pocket. So we're on a hit right now from the golden pocket. That's very nice. Measuring the Fibonacci from this previous, we would want to eliminate this prior channel, this dip in here, measuring from the Fibonacci on the weekly up to is essentially the top of the candle. So what we're looking at, guys, is we're currently on the hit from the golden pocket. We are stuck. I just have to tell you guys, it's just that news. We are stuck in a bull flag. What are you going to do? So let's just keep it in perspective. Tread lightly enough to where when we get down to another level, if we can, why? Because there's value there. I'm going to tell you, if you can't double or triple down or put 5 times the amount down at 30 that you're currently at, you're overexposed. If you can't put 5 or 10 times down that, if it were to go to 15, you're overexposed. Okay, I'm just going to tell you that. And it keeps it light. It keeps it fun. That doesn't mean you're not investing, guys. We've entered into some heavy positions, but it's not so heavy, guys, that we're sweating on the air. Like, you're not going to find that here. And I know I'm not going to find that with you guys. So we're trying to bring some perspective, and definitely you guys understand now. It's like, oh, okay, that's why London wanted 51,000. If you guys draw this on the weekly, it's like, I think I'll take that 51,000. That essentially would have represented a breakout of this bull flag. So I didn't mean to keep it from you, but I didn't want you guys to go too heavy. Now I'm glad you guys didn't. How about that? Is that good? I think it's good, right? Just to make sure, because the weekly can be a little bit tricky in the way that it consolidates. It consolidates a little bit differently. It's a bigger time frame, so we take a different look at it. And if I were to bring this up on the weekly and we were to break out, you guys, I just don't want you guys to ever go too heavy. That's not the idea. We want to keep this fun. We don't want to sit there and sweat all day long and just talk about things, it's just not going crazy, guys. It's Bitcoin. We enjoy it. We love it. We also enjoy having you guys as members in VIP. Thank you so much for your involvement in the back, guys. It's been a lot of fun. We're working a lot of new things. Angel, shout out to you. We're so excited about new headquarters. We're going to be getting some new headquarters. So I almost called it hedge quarters. How about that? Angel, how about we get some hedge quarters, huh? In terms of hedge, I have a private hedge fund in the past. That's kind of my background. Crypto's a little different. We're getting used to it, but instead of headquarters, we can have hedge quarters. How about that? We can maybe dub it that, but definitely for the crypto kingdom, for all you guys, we're looking forward to being able to bring that to you. And guys, the general mood around here is just very positive. I want to let you guys know that it helps to have cash reserves, and it helps to never be overexposed. So if you were to look at this channel, guys, I know that you understand pricing targets, right? You understand if you wanted to trade this, more distinctly within this zone, easy, right? You guys understand that. I don't need to teach you guys anything. I know that, but it's just nice to have you guys and to know that. But I did kind of keep back the weekly bull flag. I didn't want to create too much hype. So you understand that 51 from a different angle. Let's say that, because I did mention a previous previous hitch in the price element along the hourly, etc. But this is really this is the big guy. This one right here, that's the big guy. If we can get up above this, guys, it's just going to be nice. So we look forward to seeing what happens with the price action, whether or not it goes up or it goes down. We're ready to enter on the way up, guys. We're ready to scale in on the way down. It's as easy as it could get. I hope you guys are enjoying I guess the start to a new year for school, and a lot of good things going on, and that you guys are enjoying your trading. And we'll hit you up in the back. We'll do some more good trades that That trade today was just phenomenal for the 50%. I'm glad that you guys got that information. That was the one coin in the back that I highlighted and said, you know what, I really like this coin. I want you guys to watch that video. If you're VIP and you're not plugged into the Twitter, guys, that 50% hit, it was just one of those. It was one of those. I did work for probably 3-4 hours, guys, bringing coins, reviewing things, and we have a good success rate when I do that. You guys know that. Whenever I spend 3-4 hours, 6 hours, something like that, you guys know we normally come up with the winning coin, right? So of the next day, it's like, well, maybe the market's completely down and we're up. So I try and put that hard work in for you guys, and I just know that you appreciate it, and I appreciate you. So this is London with the Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Make sure you follow us on Bitcoin Spike, and if you'd like access to those back reserved rooms, it's all digital, guys, but those reserved rooms, you just need to hit join, okay? Hit join, and then go to Bitcoin Spike on Twitter and reply to the first pinned tweet. Let me know. Say, hey, London, I'm VIP. You can join there on a desktop computer, on YouTube, etc. And guys, we have the best trade group. It's just awesome guys. They're really killing it, and a lot of experience in the room, a lot of experience. So take care of yourselves, guys, and we'll work through to the end of this week, into the weekend, and we'll see what this bull flag wants to do on the weekly. I think it's going to be interesting, but I think with this measured, scaled-in approach, things become a little bit more enjoyable in crypto. They don't have to be stressful. They don't have to be panic-ridden and sweat-inducing. We can have a good time. So we're going to keep doing that, guys. We'll keep bringing you those hot coins and everything like that in the back, so you guys can keep having fun trading. So take care of yourself. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.